Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your WhatsApp if your phone is not connected to the PC WhatsApp. Now first of all, go to WhatsApp on your mobile phone and go on these three dots that is on top right corner and go to settings. Now click on QR logo that is beside your name or your username, and after that go to scan code. Now please wait for a while, it is loading, and open WhatsApp also on your PC. Now as you can see, if you open your PC, it will say welcome to WhatsApp, get started, and after that it will give you this code. Now after you have scanned this code, it will say device login code detected, and click on continue and click on link a device. Now after that your device will be synced in, as you can see here. Now if your phone is not connecting to the PC one, then you need to check if your Wi-Fi is connected or not, or if your Wi-Fi is stable or not. Also, you also need to check if your WhatsApp is on latest update by going to Play Store or your App Store and type in WhatsApp, and as you can see my WhatsApp is on the latest version. You can also fix it by restarting your mobile phone, and after that it will work fine. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.